Welcome back to Car Trend. Today we're taking a closer look at the reinvented icon, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. The Beetle is back, and this time it's been modernized for a whole new era. The 2025 model retains its timeless rounded silhouette, but everything else has been refined. Sleek LED headlights blend into a smoother, more aerodynamic body. Subtle chrome accents, flush door handles, and new alloy wheel designs give it a premium and futuristic feel while staying true to its retro roots. Under the hood, the new Beetle offers multiple options. You can choose a peppy 1.5L turbocharged engine delivering around 150 horsepower, or opt for a fully electric variant, the Beetle EV, producing instant torque and zero emissions, making it ideal for city driving. Both versions feature smooth handling and upgraded suspension for a more comfortable ride. Step inside, and you're greeted with a clean, tech-forward interior. A fully digital cockpit, touchscreen infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ambient lighting, and vegan leather seats make the Beetle feel more like a compact luxury car than ever before. It's smart, stylish, and still fun to drive. With improved safety features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, the 2025 Beetle doesn't just look good, it's built for peace of mind too. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle is a perfect blend of past and future, honoring its legacy while embracing the next generation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Car Trend, where icons are reborn, and the road ahead always has a story.